What's up, guys? So today I'm gonna be doing something to the Supra that I feel that it's been needing for a while. I like the way the car looks, but it needs a lip very, very bad. I don't want to do nothing crazy, so that's why I decided to go with the Max Orido front lip. This thing, as you can see, it's not big at all. It's really small. I like it because it keeps the car looking stock, but just a little bit more aggressive. The cool thing about this lip is that it comes with these end pieces that cover this white spot that's on the Supra. This is my dog Kobe right here saying hello. And yeah, it's just gonna tie everything in. So it looks pretty straightforward. I got the instructions over here. They're in Japanese, so I'm just gonna go by the pictures, I guess. Okay, so one thing I'm gonna do first, just to make this a little easier, I'm gonna install these end pieces and then see if I can mount it this way. Just make everything a little bit easier. Alright guys, so I'm all done. This thing looks nice, really clean, real subtle, looks so good. There's one more thing I'm gonna do. I'm gonna add this rubber under that lip. This is actually called like an easy lip rubber thing. I'm gonna add it under the lip just so it looks a little bit more aggressive. And yeah, let's see how this looks. All right, all done. This thing came out perfect, perfect. I wanted to add that rubber in the bottom just to make it a little bit different. I'm always trying to do different things, and I think this came out perfect. It's already dark outside, so I'll take the car out tomorrow. That way you guys can see it in the sunlight. Okay, so it's the next day now, and this thing looks amazing. Let me show you guys. Alright guys, so like you guys can see, this lip, I don't know, I really like this. It just looks like it belongs. It just flows really good with the car. And I'm really happy that I incorporated that rubber lip down here from Easy Lip. It's gonna make getting in and out of driveways really easy, and it adds just that much more to it. Me personally, I really like that combination with the Easy Lip and the Max Orido together. It just looks just so good to me. Let me know what you guys think, but I really like it. But yeah, let's get the car back to the house, and need to take the Rx7 out for a cruise. I haven't driven that thing for a while, so yeah, let's go do that. All right, I'm back home now. This thing, man, I can't get over it. It just looks so good. It looks, like I said, just looks like it belongs. It looks like this is the way the car should have came. Man, that looks so good. Okay, so now we're gonna go to the Rx7. I haven't driven it in a while, so let's take it out for a spin. So now we're in the Rx7. It's crazy having like a modern sports car and something like this that is like, it's just so raw. When you jump in this car, it's like you really have to drive this thing. You know you're driving this thing. And the sounds that come out of this thing are just nuts. That's the thing, the Supras, it's a really fun car to drive. I love the car. It makes it easy. I could drink a coffee and just go through the canyons and, you know, just enjoy it. This car right here is the completely opposite. It drives really good, but you have to drive this car. When I say you have to drive this car, it's like your full attention has to be in the car. There is no assistance in this car, so you have to make sure you're on top of it all the time, which makes it a really awesome experience. But at the same time, it is very tiring, which I like. I like being able to go out and get a little workout in this car. And just listen to this. I'm not even going fast. I'm really letting it hit boost. And just with that itself, it feels so great. Like with that, you're gonna have so much fun. That's why I like it. You don't have to drive this car fast to have fun. You just have to drive it. It's just one of those cars, you know? All right, let's go, let's go. What's crazy is you hear the boost go online, and you're in boost, like low boost, and it's like, okay, it's pretty quick, and then out of nowhere, the full boost kicks in, and man, it throws you in the seat. It's kind of hard right now to do a whole pull because I'm trying to film. Let me see, if I hold the camera in the front, I probably could. So that was a third gear pull. Man, you can't beat what this car does. I mean, like I said, it's not the fastest car, but it's by far the funnest car I've ever owned. All I gotta say is that I love the F50. This thing is the best car I've ever owned. Like, when it comes to fun factor, it's way up there. Next time I should put a GoPro in here, that way I could just let it record, you know. But for now that's it for this video. I want to drive the car a little bit more. Like I said, I haven't driven it for a while, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.